going to a new screen recording here. And let's keep going with the. Now's your chance to actually do some science on your own. Think of an experiment you might like to do. You ask a research question based on reaction times. You write your null hypothesis. You collect data reaction times for two different groups. Okay, so this is why you got some extra time to do this. This is why you got till a week from Friday to get this done. Because, or the same group, depending on how you research the question, of a minimum of 15 members in each group. That's the hard part. Finding 15 like male friends, 15 female friends, 15 people over 30, 15 people under 10, kids under 10, those kinds of things. Then run either a paired t-test or an unpaired t-test on your data using a statistic app. Tell why you chose one test over the other. Okay, so an unpaired t-test means that they're dependent on each other, but your groups are independent. You've got independent random samples, so you're going to run a paired t-test, and it's not hard. And so good luck. Physics is fun. All right, so you're going to create a table and all that kind of stuff. So your actual write-up, that's the lab. Now here's your write-up worksheet. Open. Question, why might the stopwatch? Okay, so you put your answer here. Your research question, your null hypothesis statement, your data 1 through 15 for one group, your data 1 through 15 for another group. Place your results from your statistical run here. Cut and paste from the program you use. Okay, so what I have done is on your website for free stat calculator, if you click there, you'll get to click again to a website where you can download like the paired t-test. All right, well, let me just show you what it looks like. It looks like this when you download. You go so you go for two independent means. That's what you want. You pick that, and you'll get something that looks like this, and it won't hurt your calculator at all. So here's the projects. Here's mine was project one that I did last year when we first were doing this class. And so there's my project, 3 decimal places, two-tailed test, non-paired. So this will be, do we want it non-paired or paired? You can go, I went non-paired with this one because they're non-paired because they're independent sets. And we can spend, this in the stat class, so I don't want to go into that, but I just pick non-paired and you'll be fine. And then the data, I'll be honest, I made up this data. Okay, then the test, then you run your numbers, and here's the results. T-test statistic 0.78, degrees of freedom is 28, which is 15 minus 1 for the first group is 14, 15 minus 1 for the second group is 14, 14, 14 is 28. That's why I got the degrees of freedom. This is a two-tailed test comparing the two different groups. P-value, so it came out to be confidence level not significant. It's not, there wasn't a significant difference between the groups when I ran the test. All right, you understand what you're doing? Please feel free to email, or even better yet, I'm going to set up a discussion board on this. So if you have questions of the group, you can post your questions there on the discussion board. And I'm looking at that too. And so if I get enough of the same questions, I'll get it. But anyway, knock yourselves out. You're in college. You can do this. You're on your own. So go for it.